MyHeritage Deep Nostalgia. Somewhere in your home, there is probably a box or a drawer or a folder on your phone you scrolled past last month and thought about for a second before moving on. Old family photos, a grandparent at their wedding, someone in uniform whose name you know but whose voice you have never heard, a face you recognize only from a single still photograph because they were gone before you were old enough to form a real memory of them. There is a feeling that comes with looking at that photo. Not quite sadness, more like distance. Like, no matter how long you look at it, the person stays on the other side of the glass. In 2021, MyHeritage released a feature called Deep Nostalgia, and what it does is take a face in a still photograph and animate it. A blink, a slow turn of the head, a smile that feels almost impossible to look at. When it launched, over 1 million photos got animated in the first 48 hours, not because of any marketing push, but because people sent it to their families, and their families immediately sent it to someone else. One woman wrote that it made her so happy to see him smile again, and her husband had been gone for 4 years by then. You upload the photo, select the face, and the AI does the rest in about 30 seconds, with no design knowledge required and no payment asked for. Over 112 million animations have been created since launch, and the free tier gives you a small number before it suggests upgrading, but one is genuinely enough to understand what this is. MyHeritage.com. RoomGPT. Think about the room in your home that you have been meaning to change for 2 or 3 years now. You know something needs updating. You just cannot picture what the better version looks like. And because you cannot see the destination clearly, you keep doing nothing. Interior designers charge $449 before a single decision has been made. And that fee covers the idea stage only, just the concept of what a space could become. And that is exactly what RoomGPT covers, in 10 seconds, for nothing. You photograph any room, upload it, choose a direction you have been vaguely drawn to without acting on it, something like Scandinavian minimal or mid-century warm. And the AI shows you your room redesigned in that style. Your actual walls and proportions rebuilt into a version of the space that looks like somewhere worth being. The results are not always precise, and the free render count is limited. But here is the thing. That first image, that moment of finally seeing the room you walk through every day look completely different, is what people have been paying hundreds of dollars to access. RoomGPT.io. Animated drawings. Your child draws constantly, on every surface they can find, and at some point, they hand you a drawing of a little figure with round eyes, stick arms, and the kind of grin that only a 7-year-old produces. You tell them it is great, because it genuinely is, because they made it. Animated Drawings is a free tool built by Meta's AI Research Lab alongside Carnegie Mellon University, and what it does is take a photo of that drawing and make the figure walk. Not as a metaphor, but literally. The stick person takes actual steps across the screen, waves, and depending on how it was drawn, runs or does a small jump. You open sketch.metademolab.com in any browser, upload the photo, and within 30 seconds you are watching your child's drawing move around a screen. No account required, no download, nothing to install. Works best on simple shapes with clear outlines, and a classic stick figure comes out almost perfectly every time. Google Lens. Look at the plant sitting on your windowsill, the one that has been there for 2 years and that you have never been entirely sure you have been watering correctly. Google Lens identifies the species in about 2 seconds, tells you whether you are overwatering, and confirms whether your cat would survive eating it. That is one use among many. Point it at a restaurant dish you cannot name, at text in another language that you want translated live through the camera, at a medicine bottle with print too small to read comfortably, or at a maths problem your child brought home from school. What catches people off guard every time is that the tool is already sitting on their phone, built directly into the Google app on both iPhone and Android, and has probably been there for years without being used this way. Open Google, tap the camera icon, and start pointing at things. 10 billion categories, completely free, and the only real cost is the moment you realize how long you had it without knowing what it could do. DishGen. 6 in the evening, fridge door open, half a block of cheese, some leftover rice from 2 nights ago, 3 eggs, and 1 courgette that is close enough to the edge that you are genuinely unsure. You stand there, letting the cold out and staring at a collection of ingredients that do not obviously go together. And the question that forms is the same one that forms in every household on the planet at roughly this time every day. What do I actually make with this? DishGen answers that in 5 seconds. Type in whatever you have in any combination, and a complete recipe comes back with measurements, timing, and steps you can follow while your hands are already busy. Tell it you have 20 minutes, or that there is no dairy allowed, or that you need something with more protein, and the output adjusts. No account needed, no ads loading between step 2 and step 3, and no pressure to upgrade anything. Households discard around $1,500 worth of food per year on average, most of it because nobody could work out what to cook from what was already there before it went bad. And while DishGen does not solve that entirely, it makes 6 o'clock considerably less painful. DishGen.com. Drop the number of these you have actually heard of before right now in the comments below. And if this video is saving you money or showing you something genuinely useful, the like button helps the channel reach more people. Adobe Podcast Enhance Speech. You recorded something, a voice message, a short explainer, a presentation for work, and when you played it back, the audio sounded like exactly what it is: someone speaking into a laptop microphone in a room with hard floors and no sound treatment. The echo is there, the hiss is there, and that hollow wardrobe calling quality that microphones in untreated rooms always produce is impossible to miss. And that is when Adobe's free tool Enhance Speech becomes the answer. You find it at podcast.adobe.com, upload the file, and the AI strips out the background noise, the room echo, and the hollow quality, and what comes back sounds like a studio recording of the same voice saying the same words. It handles voice only, not music, and the free tier processes up to 1 hour of audio per day, which covers most real-world situations. Adobe Audition, the professional product this feature belongs to, runs $55 a month as part of Creative Cloud, which meant this specific tool being free is genuinely worth knowing about for anyone who records anything at home. Microsoft Math Solver. There is a specific kind of panic that arrives when your child puts their maths homework on the table in front of you and you realize, somewhere in the back of your mind, that you have not thought about quadratic equations since roughly the same age they are now. You say you will look it up, and then 15 minutes pass with you reading explanations that somehow make the problem more confusing while your child sits at the kitchen table waiting. Microsoft Math Solver removes that situation entirely. Open the app on your phone, point the camera at the problem, whether it is handwritten in a notebook or printed on a worksheet, and the AI reads it, works it out, and walks through every step in plain language. Algebra, geometry, calculus, and word problems are all covered. It handles children's handwriting reliably, and the whole thing is completely free with no paywall anywhere behind it. Find it at mathsolver.microsoft.com, and the next time the homework panic arrives, you will already have the answer. NotebookLM. There is probably a document you have been avoiding. Not quite ignoring, but not reading either. More like intending to get to. Your insurance policy, your rental contract, a medical report that uses vocabulary you would need to look up. The kind of thing that sits in a folder for months because every time you open it, you read 3 paragraphs and quietly close it again. Google built NotebookLM for exactly that document, and what you do is upload it and then just ask questions. What am I actually covered for here? What is buried in section 12 that I would probably miss? What should I actually be paying attention to? Answers come back based only on what is in the document, with no guessing or inventing, and that alone is useful enough. But the feature that surprised people most when it launched is called Audio Overview, and one click generates a full podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts discussing whatever you uploaded, explaining the complicated parts, drawing connections across sections, and doing it in a format you can listen to while doing something else entirely. Joining the conversation mid-episode to ask your own questions is also an option, with the hosts answering before picking up where they left off. Google reports that users have collectively generated over 350 years worth of audio overviews, and the whole thing is free with a Google account. NotebookLM.Google. Colorize.cc. Somewhere in your home, there is a photograph of someone in black and white, a grandparent or great-grandparent who only exists for you in gray. And there is something quietly strange about the fact that we only ever see certain people that way, as if color was something that belonged to later generations, and they simply did not get access to it. Colorize.cc uploads a black and white photograph and adds realistic, natural color to it. The AI analyzing the fabric of the clothing, the texture of the environment, and the tones of the skin, then applying color based on what those things actually look like, rather than just tinting everything. Results are not always exact, and a dress might come back in a slightly wrong shade, but seeing a photograph you have only ever known in gray suddenly exist in full color is something people consistently describe the same way, as if the past came a little bit closer. Professional colorization services charge between $100 and $500 per image. Colorize.cc charges nothing. Suno. In June 2024, Universal Music Group, Sony Music Entertainment, and Warner Music Group filed a $500 million lawsuit against a company that almost nobody had heard of at the time. That company is Suno. The reason the entire music industry took legal action is that Suno built a tool letting anyone produce a finished song from a single sentence of text, and the industry considered that a genuine threat worth $500 million in damages. You go to Suno.com, describe what you want, something like a slow, melancholy acoustic track about driving home alone at night, or an upbeat pop song about a dog who believes he is a person, and within 30 seconds, you get back a full recording with real-sounding instruments, vocals, and lyrics that match the mood. 50 songs per day for personal use, all on the free plan. Warner Music settled and signed a licensing partnership with Suno after the initial filing, and Universal and Sony remain in court. But right now, you can go to Suno.com, make a song about anything at all, send it to someone, and watch them listen to it twice before asking how long you spent on it.